Good morning, guys. My name is Jorge Herrera. I'm from Florida, originally from New Jersey. I'm a U.S. Army veteran, served 8.5 years. Once I got out of the service, I went to auto body school, which I'm in love with cars. Once I graduated that, I started working at a shop. How did I find out about Dean King and PDR training? Well, while I was in the shop, we had this PDR tech come in, and I was seeing how easy he was taking out dents without dust, without dirt, without messing up the paint or anything like that, which is a very expensive thing. Well, he's like, oh, just find out about PDR training. I started Googling it. I found out about Dean King. I did my research. I emailed him. I got in touch with Michelle, which is a school rep. And at the time, Dean King wasn't accepted as a school for the VA. So I had to wait. And I was in contact with them every month. They would send me an email. Now, yeah, we're still in the process. Once the VA accepted Dean King as a training, which was this year, May 2019, that's when they sent me an email, and I enrolled, got out here June 17th. I'm about to graduate. It's been 4 weeks. I graduate next week. It's been fun from day one. Everybody treats you as a family. The hardest thing about PDR is not as easy as you would think. Just thinking out there, it's not just that. You have to learn how much force you're going to put to push a dent out and how much force you're going to put in to pull that, you know what I mean, just to bring it back down to make it even to where the customer's happy with it. It's you got dent pull-in, you got windshield, and all different kind of trainings you could get here. From day one, you got instructors James, Sal, and Cole, which they treat you like family, and they show you the ins and outs of the business, and they give you the opportunity for you to learn different venues and different ways to do things for your own benefit. Where I live in Florida, there's not that many PDR guys, and I mean, it's a good career. It's money to be made, and not everybody does it because it's not an easy trade. If it was an easy trade, nobody would do it. What else should I say about, would I advise people to come? Yeah, I would tell everybody, especially veterans. We got the GI Bill, we got the post 9/11, where you could just come to school and everything's paid for. You come out here 5 weeks, 8 weeks, whatever. Your choice may be if you want to do the whole PDR, which is, I recommend it, and it's well worth it. Well, that's all I got to say. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. I want to thank my wife for pushing me to go through this. And I want to thank the whole Dean King family, especially Todd, starting from Todd, which is the owner, all the way down to all the instructors. They've been really helpful, and they treat me as a family, as a new family member. All right. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.